Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our D2C dialogue session. It is my pleasure to introduce Aman, not only a good friend, but also the co founder of Boat, Disha, co founder of Zook. Rahul, as you all know, has led the charge on building consumer businesses in India in his previous role in Helion and now at Stellaris, and Naman, his colleague at Stellaris. Um, so they say that a tide lifts all boats, but for Aman, the boat has lifted the tide of all D2C brands. So thanks, Aman, for taking the time to join us on this session. And there are a barrage of questions that the community has asked us, but I'll leave the floor open to, since we have Disha with us, and she's also the founder of a very exciting new D2C brand, to get the proceedings started. And we can dive into some of the questions that the community has. Any questions that any of the viewers have, you can put it on the Q&A box, and we'll try and answer some of them as we go along, and then we'll get you guys on as well towards the end of the session for a direct interaction.
Thank you, Vinay, for this introduction. Anything for Fireside, I always say. I love you guys. And, thank you, Rahul, for calling me here. Nice to be here, guys.
Thank you, Vinay, for the intro, right? And hi, Aman. Thank you so much for the session. I'm a huge fan of how you have built one of the most loved D2C brand here. So huge congratulations to you. So I'll not take any more time and we'll just dive into the first question directly. So it would be great if you can, start off by explaining the concept of boathead, right? Its origin and what it means to the lakhs of boat customers today.
Yeah. So, this is boatheads. In a simple example, अगर boatheads ना होते तो हम ना होते. Boatheads are the ones who made us who we are. I give all credit to these guys who have made us boat. So this was a term which was coined by us even before we started boat. Boatheads. We call our customers boatheads so that they feel a part of us. They can live boat, right? Boat is a brand which is, when we, so just let me go back even more. As a as a as a as a category we are in, there were 200 brands already, right? It was not a category where it was something new. You bring no sulfate and start a brand, or organic, and it's a new market. You had to, in our market, in there they have a challenge of creating a category. In our, there was already a category, and you have to create your name in the market, right? So you have to do things differently. What was happening was, in this world, people were not talking to their consumer, they were talking to their distributors, they were talking to their wholesalers, who were in turn talking to master distributors, to retailers, and then they were talking to consumers. You were not getting to know what your consumer is talking to, talking about you. You were not talking to them directly. So we thought that let's do, and the premise of D2C is that the D2C means direct to consumer. That means that you talk directly to consumer, you sell directly to consumer, you get the feedback directly from consumer. It is that consumer is at the heart. Both heads are at the heart of what we do. So when we started off, people used to, all the brands which were there, they were never, they didn't know what the consumer wanted from them. They did not know the brands didn't know the consumers were changing. They had 40-year-old, 50-year-old brand managers who had taken that experience from 20 years, 30 years in soap or shampoo brands, and then they used to start becoming the brand managers of any company. But these guys don't know how to talk to these consumers. Our consumers were changing, and you needed people to talk to the consumers in the right ways. They needed that respect. हमें बचपन में बोलते थे ग्राहक भगवान होता है, लेकिन लोग उन्हें मानते नहीं थे. लोग ना ग्राहक से पैसे लेते थे. अब हमने जब उनको रिस्पेक्ट देनी शुरू करी ब्रांड्स ने, तो ग्राहक एक्चुअली में हमने उन्हें भगवान बनाया, तो उन्होंने हमें हम बनाया. These are the ones, as I said, I did not have the money. We were in an industry which was also not a very fundable industry, because of the past of this industry was, a bad, omen to this industry, right? मेरे को तो मतलब, I was saying yesterday, I was talking to Shraddha, and I was saying that, our death story was written even before our born story, that we'll die the same way as these guys did, right? And this was written about us, right? So my boat heads are the ones who invested their time and money on us. We give them back that respect. That's what boat heads is to us. It is like they are the ones who built us. Just to end this note with which I started with.
Great, great. So, very insightful, Aman. So, next set of questions, right? We have arranged it according to why, how, and what of community building, right? So, just starting with why. Why do you think, Aman, like, a D2C brand should think about community building, and what stage in any startup should they begin the groundwork for building a community for themselves?
They should start doing it as soon as they start looking at their brand, right? Whether it's, they will talk to you. Consumers are ready to talk to you. You go to social media. That should be your first way of directly reaching the consumers. Start a brand, start the first brand, whether once you get the registration and all, first is to start your social media channel. And once you have that channel, start talking to the consumers directly. I used to be the one who's handling the customers' responses myself. I have replied to the consumers till the time the consumers started becoming too huge for me to handle. But that community of consumers, I still manage it. That's close to my heart. I still go to my messages, read whether there are service requests, whether there are requests of a new product. You want to be grounded to that consumer. So I used to respond to my consumers initially. They knew, that somebody's taking care of them, because they will eventually take care of you. So unko social media mein they'll answer, or on YouTube, or wherever you are, they will write. You show them a product, they will write. They will have questions. They are intrigued about. First, they don't know your brand. They don't know who you are. They don't know you are just one of the 100 brands or the products which are trying to sell them the next headphone or the next shampoo. They want to understand you. They want to understand your story. So community को आपको फर्स्ट डे से स्टार्ट करके चलना है. आप इसको कम्युनिटी बोलो या आप इनको ग्राहक बोलो या आप इनको भगवान बोलो. इनको आपको ध्यान, इनका टू बी इन इंग्लिश, इनका आपको ध्यान रखना जरूरी है. They are the ones who will give you a chance. If they like you, they'll buy you again and again. And if they become your fans, like my community is now our fan, they help us go into different categories. They help us, when we launched our first wearable, just to give you an example, we were an audio company. Again, India, people tagged us as an audio company. We thought that, let's try, and audio is a very limited market, right? You can't grow beyond that. The power of the community of Boatheads helped us expand into different categories. We launched our first watch, which was the Boatstorm watch. We created a record. We sold 20,000 units in less than 1 minute. That is the power of the community, that they love you for the brand you've created. They love you for the promise of the quality of the product you are delivering to them. They will buy you for whatever we do. So we launched our product. We understood that these guys loved us back by buying our wearables also. So that gives us confidence on the brand and the community that you can expand. And that community also tells you what to do. I never thought that we will be, if you ask when 4 years back when we met him, we never thought we'll get into wearables. The community told me that, guys, markets are changing, times are changing. From headphones, you should also start, wearables. This is called wearables. You wear it on your head or you wear it on your arm. It is wearables, right? Community told us that we are looking for the next smartwatch from Boat. You see our comments 2 years back. When will you launch your own first smartwatch? When will you launch this? That is when we thought that ideas started coming, and we started talking to some of the community members, and they said that, it's a perfect example. We will buy. That gave us the confidence, and we launched. We're selling well. Now we are asking them, what is the next thing we should launch? They're telling us what we have to launch. And I will not tell here what we are launching, because a lot of competitors also must be listening to this session.
No, I'm sure. So I'll take a thoda diversion, like why the questions I'll come back later. Like from this discussion, I'll go to how ka question that I have, right? Like for every community, as you clearly, very rightly said, Aman, okay, we get customers are our biggest supporters, right? And brand gets a lot of customer loves typically on social media, marketplaces, via reviews, post, and so on and so forth, right? So how do you convert this customer love and genuine followers roots of your brand into a boat head community? Like, what is that, that one thing that you did to convert all these different, reviews, love, and everything that you were getting on the different social media channel to a single community? And as a facilitator, what was your role in it?
I didn't get the question correctly. What exactly it is. Can you just rephrase it once?
So I mean, what I was asking is, okay, as you were correctly saying, right, we get a lot of customer love, genuine followers in terms of, reviews milte hain hame, social media pe we get posts from our customers, right? So we get a lot of, as you were saying, right, you get a lot of love across different channels from your followers and your customers, right? How do you convert this all, people who are spread out in all this different platforms into a genuine, community, like the way you have built boat head as a community, right? So how do you bring all of them together and then say that, okay, this is my boathead community? Is there a platform that you use to engage all these community members together?
So, Disha, it's like a reciprocated one. The ones who start buying you only will start reviewing you. The ones they review you, they like you, they start believing in you, they start engaging with you. So we do a lot of things for them. We do some events, like we have a lot of celebrities with us. We do specific events only with the boathead community. We do a lot of sales. We do a lot of first product launches are given to this community. We do a lot of special discounting for these community. We want them to try it out. They have priority over every other services also we have in the company. Their return rates, their returns also become faster if they try it out. They don't like it, they want to buy something else. They do that because they are the evangelists. They are the ones who spread the message. And that community keeps growing, right? Earlier we had that community of say 100,000 people, right? Today that community is more than, I sold last year, we sold 1.2 crore units. 1.2 crore units, which is 1% of the population, which is crazy, right? Which is a huge number to sell to. Now imagine that same number of people coming back to buy a boat. That is what keeps us growing. From the day one, when we first sold our first cable, we got them into the boat story. It's a story. It's a story of love towards them. We don't cheat them by selling them at very high prices. We don't cheat them by selling them at a lower quality. We are true to what we stand for. We stand for aspirational products at logical price points. India mein price point is very critical. It's not super premium. It's not super cheap. India में nano नहीं बिकती, nano बंद हो गई क्योंकि वो सस्ती कार करके बिकी थी, और whatever that reason may be, I don't know. But India में you sell style with Hyundai Santro sells with Shah Rukh Khan as a style statement, right? It is still aspirational for that middle class coming up. So we always want to be aspirational as a brand. So as a community, they trust you till the time you are true to them. So be
अमन,
true to them, they will.
ये लोग किसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे एंगेज करते हैं आपके साथ, क्या कैसे रहता है, मतलब how do
Yes,
you
sir.
even identify who is the boat
So
head?
we have a close knit group for them where they start becoming a part of us. We have a social media में हम लोग उनको ट्रैक करते हैं that who, आप अगर हमारे बारे में एक जैसे क्या है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रोडक्ट है, खराब होता है, सर्विस की जरूरत होती है, कंज्यूमर्स को ये बात समझ नहीं आती कि बहुत बारी ना कंज्यूमर्स दे हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद आवर प्रोडक्ट. प्रॉब्लम तो बड़े बड़े कंपनीज के मोबाइल फट जाते थे, फोन पे लैपटॉप की बैटरी नहीं अलाउड होती थी, तो हम क्या चीज है जिनके बिलियन ऑफ डॉलर की R&D लग रही है, उनके फट जाते हैं मोबाइल, तो हम तो फिर भी वी आर स्टिल नॉट इवन अ फिश इन द पॉन्ड और व्हाटएवर. सो क्वालिटी इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इज ऑलवेज हैज टू बी गिवन. अब क्या होता है, कोई खरीदता है तो उसको लगता है अरे क्वालिटी खराब है, मेरे को ये हुआ प्रॉब्लम. अरे भाई खराब हो गया, हम सॉल्व कर देंगे, थोड़ा टाइम लगा. आपको पता है हमारी उसके रिस्पॉन्स करने के लिए एक बंदा हमारा नेगेटिव लिखता है, 4 लोग पॉजिटिव लिख देते हैं कि भाई रुक जाइए, कर देंगे, वी हैव ट्रस्ट ऑन देम. सो देयर आर दीस पीपल हु स्टार्ट टॉकिंग, दे स्प्रेड दैट मैसेज. मैं प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करता हूं, उससे पहले 200 प्रोडक्ट तो मुझे पता है रिव्यूअर्स खरीद लेते हैं, बिकॉज दे वांट देयर कम्युनिटी ऑफ रिव्यूअर्स, दे वांट कि उनके रिव्यूज आर गेटिंग मैक्सिमम लाइक्स, आर गेटिंग मैक्सिमम ट्रैक्शन, सो दे विल बाय इट फॉर द फर्स्ट review to be launched. So there are a lot of people who will that then that ecosystem starts becoming, it starts operating by itself. You know what I mean? Yeah,
I think
Naman.
a follow-up question. So you said you give specialized treatment to your community. So do you give that specialized treatment to all the customers who ever bought, or there is some specific criteria?
नहीं सो अगर आप देखो नहीं दमन देखो क्या होता है ना there are two inherent things here. One is a consumer who is your buyer who is not a boathead. A boathead is the one who start loving you back, engaging with you more. There are a lot of people. So if there are 100 people buying me, 10% will buy me for something which they must have seen on a deal. 10% may have bought me because of the hundreds of thousands of reviews I've got. 10% may have bought me because they are, they wanted to try something. They're bored of some other brand and they want to try it out. There will be 20% of that consumers who are come back to buy me. So the community will start first. It's like that funnel, right? Aspiration, what do you call it? पहले आप अपने ब्रांड को अवेयर करते हो, फिर परचेज, फिर कंसिडरेशन, राइट? पहले आप पूरी तो क्या इन्वर्टेड फनल है कि आप पहले पूरी दुनिया को सर्व कर रहे हो, फिर आप थोड़ी सी कम्युनिटी को सर्व करोगे जो कि आपके खास होंगे, और फिर जो नीचे वाले होंगे वो आपके लोग हैं. अगर वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होगा ना हमारे पास कम्युनिटी का, तो वो which will not help us build. We build on it.
And
So
what are
those
the
people are the ones first you sell to them, and there will be some they will start engaging, they will start calling you back, they will start mailing you, they will start responding. You find those people and you take them as special consumers, special gold status. जैसे नहीं बोलते थे Marriott gold points and then platinum. You have to take care of them, but it's not that you don't take care of all the buyers who buy you. You take care of all the buyers who buy you, but you take special care of the consumers who buy you more.
And Aman, do you segregate this community? Like you have pan India reach, right? So do you segregate this community into pan India? मतलब एक community आपकी है या फिर
community एक है, both heads are one community. Secondly, there are people who feel proud to be a boathead. There are a lot of hashtags which start I am a boathead, be a boathead. So boathead eventually becomes that, like if you see people they start writing I am a boathead. If somebody is writing, suppose Hardik Pandya writes I am a boathead, then they're like, he posted a picture yesterday with 6 lakh likes already with our headphone, right? There will be thousands of them people will say I am also a boathead, I am also a boathead. So you start becoming a part of a clan. You start becoming a part of a tribe. You start becoming belongingness to something which is cool. Boathead as a community is cool. Boathead as a community is special. Everybody who buys a boat gets automatic entry into a boathead community. Then we start becoming closer as a family. We start becoming more closer as we go along. Boathead as a community is something like if you buy a boat today, then you are a boathead because you are proud to be a boathead. Now, maybe you don't want to call yourself a boathead because you've bought it for only headphone as a listening device. And you are not a boathead as such because you even may not know what a boathead means, right? But if you are coming back again, we talk to our consumers saying, hi, boatheads, there is a special new product coming up. If you look at a social media page, we talk to them as boatheads. We don't call them as consumers. We don't call them as, community. We call them as boatheads. Hi, boatheads, something new coming up. You want to try it out? There are hundreds of people who say that. And then we give them the first right of refusal to buy us. ROFO.
So, Aman, as you said, right, Hardik Pandya recently, yesterday posted about you guys, right?
Yeah.
And I see there are a lot of influencers, people from music, entertainment, and so on and so forth are, posting about boatheads, right? So, Aman, is building a community a very costly affair? Because you said, as soon as we start, I understand that community is two part. One is your customers, and then the whole celeb and influencer bit of it, right? So, is building community a costly affair, and how should young brand or early stage brand look at budget allocation in this case?
Community क्या होती है ना, whether you call them by name or you don't call them by name, community क्या होती है ना, evangelists होते हैं. You look at Apple, there are people who dare and swear by Apple, right? They want to only buy Apple. They'll talk about Apple. You've seen so many people who are Android versus Apple, right? So that is what community powers you to, and there is no reason why, suppose suppose Naman, Vinay, Rahul, all three of them start buying boat, okay? And then Disha starts saying that nahi yaar, board अच्छा नहीं है, XYZ अच्छा है. These guys will start responding that nahi bhai, हमें तो board अच्छा लगा, इसमें ये plus है, ये minus है. These are your salesmen. The first set of salesmen कौन थे मेरे मेरे पेरेंट्स थे, मेरे मेरे इन लॉज थे, मेरे फ्रेंड्स थे, उन लोगों को मैंने बोला कि बहुत स्प्रेड द मैसेज, राइट? They spread the message. It's not expensive. You don't need to burn dollars and millions of dollars for community building. That's our first set of people who will love you. They will, your trusted friends. Then that becomes, जो लोग शुरू में ना, मैं आपको सच बताता हूँ दिशा, the people who bought us initially, there were this 10 people. I had a Facebook friend list of 300 people. Out of that, only 20 of them shared. When I told everyone to share the post 4 years back, nobody did. 20 of them did. Today I'm successful, and there are plans for doing some bigger things. Now the rest 480 also want to be my friends, but I actually know who those 20 were, who were actually my friends. You know what I mean? So those are the ones who promoted the first message. It's like पहले 10, फिर 10 के 100, फिर 100 के 1000. इवेंचुअली आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा होना चाहिए बॉस, कुछ भी कर लो. This community talks, they will try, but if you don't give them the rightful product, they will not buy you again. They are ready to try your any brand, any product you do. Consumers are ready to try you. Today my wife, she has every day I take a bath from a different shampoo. Like every few months she changes her shampoo. From X brand to Y brand to Z brand. They are not loyal. They are not loyal. They want to give you a try, right? They are ready to try, and then if they like you, they'll keep buying you. That is the repeat they'll have. But they are ready to experiment. So consumers you have to be, if the product is not good, they will never buy. That is the essence of the product. Is essence of the whole thing is that community is good, but community is loyal as long as you are loyal to them with the right product.
So, I totally, I also totally believe that your customer comes first, and they are the one who are the most important, for success of your brand, right? But do you think, Aman, how important is the role of a celebrity in building a community?
Good point. There was a old saying that you have to, if you take a celebrity for X, and you have to spend 5x for marketing that celebrity. पुराने marketing में सिखाया जाता था, jargons होते थे, और मेरे तो अगर if I take a celebrity for X, sometimes I don't even spend X on promoting it, right? Okay. It's not necessary that rules of marketing are changing, rules of engagement are changing, right? Celebrity is not a celebrity. Today I get, we are announcing two boat heads, and we call them boat heads only. They are also part of the tribe, right? We are now, and if we call them, we said, "Hi, boat head Hardik." That's how we call each other also. So there is a new boat head, and now people want to be cool. It's a part of the cool tribe, right? So there are a lot of people who want to be a part of boat just because it makes them cooler. Right? They don't want to be, it's not about money for them. These guys are, all these cricketers get more money than anyone else, right? They have it, right? So they don't care about the money as much as the belongingness to a certain tribe. After a while, they will leave you if you're not cool enough for them, because then it's all about money for them. So celebrities, if you ask me, celebrities are not important for any brand. I don't think it's important. The message is given by the brand and the product. Today, when we did celebrities, people said that, why are you doing a celebrity? You're too young and you don't need it. Then people, when we did 5 celebrities, people said, 5 celebrity ka kya karo? Ab hamaरे पास 18 celebrity है. अब क्या हो रहा है ना, people don't ask questions. अब क्या हो रहा है, जब चल रहा है तो लोग कह रहे हैं जो कर रहे हैं ठीक ही कर रहे हो, हम भी कर लेते हैं. Now people are also taking celebrity. But you don't take celebrity just for having a celebrity. It doesn't care. It doesn't give any added advantage. Just that awareness level is higher. When your celebrity posts about it, they're like, millions of people, they have it. It's just a distribution platform which you have initially, that your message is given to these 100,000 followers. After that, the celebrity may or may not use you. Correct? If the product is good, if my product is good, if my headphone is good, celebrities use it. Whether they're coming out of the bus, whether sitting in the bus, whether they are moving around, they use my products. If the product is not good, they will never use it. And then it starts clicking. People, paparazzi to India mein hai bahut. So media starts following them. They start clicking their pictures. They see they are seen with boats. It gives me, automatic publicity also. So, and it's getting, अभी क्या हो गया ना, अभी मेरे पास 2-3 celebrity नहीं भी हैं in cricket team. We've got like a lot of cricketers. People say, वो भी तो boat head है. People are thinking everybody is a boat head. दो छोड़ भी जाते हैं ना, हमारे को किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता, because there are so many of them with us. So it's more about making, and I'll tell you frankly speaking, I was with Hardik and he said, oh, my friend wants to be a boathead. Can you just see if you can make him a boathead? I said, why not? Now there are all these new guys, young guys who start their career. We are lucky for them. We were Kiara's first brand before Kiara even had a movie.
Interesting.
Yeah, and yeah, Karthik's first, Hardik Pandya, we were there before Shreyas, we were there before even there in the Indian cricket team. We had Rishabh Pant even before he was Rishabh Pant. We signed him like 4 years back, right? So we don't care about them being superstars because when you are superstars, then everybody wants you. But the challenger mindset is always there, and you want to grow with them. We've grown with them.
Very interesting. So, I'll deep dive into one of the associations that you have done, right? Like personally, I really love the collaboration that you have done with Guru Randhawa and Noora Fateh in one of their songs, like Naach Meri Rani, right? And both is just in the start of it, like with millions of views on that YouTube video, right? And it's really very powerful way of introducing and reaffirming boat as a brand, right?
Yeah, sure.
But I'm sure on the back of it, you must have spent a lot, right? Like it must have cost a lot. So how as a founder we should look at the ROI for such large investments?
ROI, is a tricky one. ROI, I think you should look at everything you do. And in fact, if you ask Vinay the way we live our life, he came to our office first, and he was like, "Bhai, तुम्हारा office रात को बंद तो नहीं, कल बंद तो नहीं हो जाएगा?" Because we were working out of a co-working space in Social, which was a restaurant, right? So we were working out of co-working, and co-working was also not that cool enough, right? And people never used to work out of cafes, and we didn't have an office itself. So ROI is very critical. Even today, we look at ROI for whatever we do, whatever spends we do. This company is, I'm the co-founder. I'm Aman Gupta. So I hope you get the message that it's run by a Bania and Samir is a Gujarati. So हमारे खून में है ROI. Danda, we'll.
ROI कैसे देखते हो, Aman? Like this one-time video and that 3-4 seconds of shot. So how do you look at how do you calculate basically the ROI for this particular collaboration?
There are a lot of times when you do, like you've seen it. Disha is a Bollywood fan. She has seen that video. She is Guru Randhawa fan. She has seen both. मेरे पैसे तो वसूल हो गए ना. You know what I mean? In India, there are people who just don't follow one thing. My personal belief is when we had multi-celebrity, the biggest reason we had that was India is not just following Hardik Pandya or Rahul or India is, some people love cricket. So I used to work with these 6 people as the founding team, and all of them had different, things they liked. I love cricket, so I was watching cricket matches. Some people liked Bollywood, so they are only watching Bollywood. Some people like music, they like only music. Some people like fashion, so they are into fashion. So yeah, India is divided into different subcultures. You have to catch hold of those subcultures of what is relevant to your brand. If you are serving, so today a metro guy also wears a boat, and in the flight also people see a boat, right? You have to remain aspirational there is what I would say. And in advertising, you have to be where your consumers are. My consumers might be watching IPL, my consumers might be watching cricket, my consumer might be looking at YouTube videos. Like you have said, Naach Meri Rani, and you've seen it there. But somebody has seen it on Virat Kohli's cap on an IPL match in RCB, because we are a sponsor to RCB. So somebody, because he's watching cricket, some people come and say, "Oh, I've seen it in that cricket. You were there in IPL." Some people say, "Oh, you are a part of LFW. You are there in Fashion Week." So I am, we are there everywhere.
So Aman, a follow-up question on the exact same thing that you said. Ki there are different type of people, different interest group, and you want to capture all of them. And there are there are 2 ways to do it. And the counter strategy, which you have not taken, is having multiple communities which are relevant for that particular interest groups instead of having one community for everyone. What are your views on having communities focused around particular interest or particular region or maybe language? And have different.
I have no views. I have not even thought about it. So it's a good point. Let me think about it, and probably in the next session, you guys, if you call me, and will answer that. I never thought about this, whether we should have separate communities for different. It's it's good to come to these panels and ask these questions, because that we can ask these questions internally to judge whether maybe that's the right move. So I don't know them. Sorry to say.
Okay.
Okay. And Aman, what are the metrics that you follow, which you feel are which are the indicators of having a strong and healthy community? Like according to you, which indicators should we look at as a brand, right? To see that कि अच्छा ये we are building something great, right? Or we are building some great community.
So there are phases, I would say. The first phase of community building is you don't know, you just want to reach out to them in some manner that, they are ready to try you out, right? They are ready to, you want them to buy you first. So that is your first community step where you want them to try and buy you. Second is when you want them to buy you again, when you grow up, right? That was our second year, probably second phase. Third phase will come when they buy you again and again for whatever you launch. That is when, for us, it happened when we expanded beyond audio, which was last year, into wearables. We understood that the community is so strong that they are ready to buy you in other things also. Today we launched our trimmer. It's called Misfit by Boat. It's a trimmer range we've launched last month and it's selling very well. We are already, selling 1,000 units a day or something. So we are getting there. It's just 3 months old brand. So people are ready to buy you into different categories. That is the third test of communities. Communities you keep testing, right? It's like after a few months or quarters, there will be another test, probably on how loyal are they, even if you increase your prices. So my first product we launched was at 399. It's called Base Health. Then we increased the price to 499. Then we increased the price to 599 because पीछे से raw material महंगा होता गया, dollar rate बढ़ेगा, duty बढ़ गई. People are still buying. That means the power of the community is that people are ready to buy you again and again and again and again and again.
Great. I guess meanwhile, let me bring in some people from the audience who can directly ask questions to you.
Yeah.
There's one question that one of the audience members posted. It's a lovely story, Aman. What is the origin story of the brand name Boat?
That's a good question. I love to answer that because there is an emotion behind it, and if you read our Boat tagline, it's called "Plug into Nirvana." Right, so you go into water, you go into a boat or a yacht or something, and you go into the water, you leave the land behind, you leave your worries behind. So you wear a boat headphone, right? And you plug into your own zone, you plug into a zone of happiness, you leave the worry behind and you plug into Nirvana. So Boat, Plug into Nirvana just went together, and it was cool, just intriguing enough for a lot of consumers कि यार boat क्या है? So initially, तो अच्छा लगा हमारे को. And if you see the A, inside the A, it is a very subtle boat. There is a boat there. That also became a little cool, and we just liked it. We had given to a friend of mine who came up with 10 names and 10 stories. We like this. वो जैसे नामकरण होता है ना बच्चों का, तो हमने 10 नाम लेके आए पंडित जी, उन्होंने शब्द बताए. फिर this is a kid with Sameer I have, right? एंड समीर के पास गया, समीर ये 2 नाम है, चूज कर. कहता यार तेरे को जो करना है कर ले, टाइम मत वेस्ट कर. तो मैंने चूज कर लिया. ऐसे तो हमने बोट का नाम चूज किया था. अच्छा लगा, स्टोरी अच्छी थी. And it is after you build that brand, that story becomes relevant.
Great.
So
I have a request from the audience who's asking questions, that if you can keep it narrow to the community specific question, that will be useful. I'm sure there are a lot of other questions, but maybe for this discussion today, let's stay focused on that. Go ahead, Naman.
Yeah, Ritesh, you are.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm really happy to have a opportunity to chat with Aman about Boat. Personally, let me tell you, I'll take a moment that I got introduced to Boat to one of my local shop, and he told me, you take this on my name, you like it. And I loved it. That was my first usage. And since that day, I was a Sennheiser fan, but since that day, I changed it. So a 1500 brand I've given up for a 599 brand. I took it at 599. I really loved it. The quality was good. But I couldn't, sell it to my brother, who is a Sony fan. Now that bring me again as a banker, I'm evaluating stuff, that how these products, where it's a Me Too product, so many brands are already doing their bit to establish their brand. When you started, you yourself told that हमारी ending story, death story पहले लिख चुकी गई थी, ऐसा था. So I want to know what was the kind of thought process you guys went into in building the brand. ये ठीक है, एक स्टोरी ली आपने, बहुत आपने बता तो दिया, बट वो बिलीव करना मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा difficult because you're starting up and you got the success what you deserved. But what I want to ask finer details when you went into the production, sourcing of OEMs, pricing के अलावा अपने पास कुछ और मोड नहीं दिख रहा है, और quality sourcing is one thing where we can do, supply chain, that is where one we can do. But when running the business, you are going into channel business, basically, physical channel and then D2C online channel. So जो offline channel है उसको आपने किस तरह से build किया, where what were your key incentives and what was your, if you can speak something on how you set up that channel, because you have given a good insight on the online channel. I want to understand on the offline channel, आपने कैसे build किया वो, and you made it a success.
Thanks, Ritesh. That I'm thankful to that shopkeeper that he made you buy, that he made you buy that. No, so offline, there's a dialogue, which I always say, and it's a very famous one. खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. And I always use this dialogue. It's like by heart I have it now, right? You make your brand so strong that the channel won't affect. There are three types of. I was telling yesterday also somewhere that there are three types of D2C brands. One is a D2C brand which is born on a marketplace, which is us. There is a D2C brand which is born on your own site, which are a lot of them. There are offline brands which are now becoming online brands, right? So you might be an offline brand today. The law, you go to Amazon, you just cite anything you need, soap, shampoo, this. You'll see a lot of these offline brands which have come online. You go to offline stores, you see these online brands. Channels won't matter. Consumers matter. If you have a strong brand, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना, आपने strong अच्छा कर लिया, तो offline में भी consumer आपको ढूंढता हुआ पहुंच जाएगा. Offline retailer आपके पास पहुंच जाएगा, offline consumer आपके पास पहुंचेगा. हमारा brand offline कैसे पहुंचा? That's a good question. हमारा brand offline ऐसे पहुंचा, मुझे ना offline से बहुत डर लगता है, because offline में क्या होता है ना, पहले तो पैसे नहीं देते, फिर credit मांगते हैं, फिर वापस कर देते हैं, ये होता है वो होता है, तो बहुत सारे इश्यूज होते हैं ऑफलाइन में. हमें बहुत डर लगता था बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ मनी, पीपल हैव लॉस्ट मनी इन ऑफलाइन, रिटर्न कर देते थे, माल बिकता नहीं है तो ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है. तो इन सब चीजों से मुझे बहुत डर लगता था, शुरू से लगता था और अभी भी लगता है. सो वी क्रिएटेड एन ऑनलाइन कम्युनिटी, ऑनलाइन ब्रांड बनाया हमने. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड इज ऑफलाइन these consumers who were not online savvy, they went to so office. So there are offline. हमने जब हमने brand बनाया, there were a lot of these consumers who went to retailers to ask for boat. कि आपके पास बोट पड़ा है क्या? तो उन्होंने अपने डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स को बोला कि बॉस मुझे बोट ला के दो. फिर वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स ने हमारे पास आए. हमने बोला, सबसे पहले बॉम्बे का एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, हमने बोला भाई हमें नहीं बेचना, हमें बहुत डर लगता है तुम लोगों से, तुम वापस कर दोगे माल और तुम पैसे नहीं दोगे और क्रेडिट मांगोगे, हमारा तो पूरा धंधा ही खराब हो जाएगा. तो दैट गाय कॉल्ड मी एंड ही सेड, ही कॉल्ड अप ऑन अ लैंडलाइन एंड देन आई गॉट इन टच विद हिम एंड देन ही सेड, बॉस आप अपना माल दो, सामान रखो, पैसे मेरे से पहले ले लो. जब उन्होंने ये बोला ना, तो मुझे लगा बॉस अब तो ऑफलाइन के लिए हम रेडी हैं. वो बंदे ने मेरे को 20 लाख का माल लिया मेरे से और खरीद लिया. आज वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बॉम्बे का मेरे लिए 2.5 से 3 करोड़ रुपए महीने का माल बेचता है, खाली एक बॉम्बे का. सो जब वो मार्केट में स्प्रेड हो गया नाम, जैसे आपने ऑनलाइन खरीदा लेकिन आपका दोस्त ऑफलाइन खरीदता है, उनके चाचा कहीं और से खरीदते हैं, वो छोटी वाली शॉप से खरीदता है, कोई क्रोमा से खरीदता है, कोई रिलायंस से खरीदता है. उनका ब्रांड बन गया तो आप कहीं भी कुछ भी बेच सकते हो. चैनल इज नॉट अ टुडे वी वर लेट इन द D2C गेम बिकॉज हमने फोकस ही नहीं किया. हमने फोकस किया अपने प्रोडक्ट पे और अपने ब्रांड पे. हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल पे फोकस ही नहीं किया, क्योंकि कौन एक कंज्यूमर एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट और ये और ROHS क्या बोलते हैं सर, क्या बोलते हैं विनय सर, रोएस को देखेगा. ये सब हमें नहीं आता था, मुझे अभी भी नहीं आता. तो मेरे को पता ही नहीं था कि इसको कैसे करना है. तो मेरे को जो आता था मैंने किया, मैंने मार्केटिंग करी प्रोडक्ट की और प्रोडक्ट अच्छा बनाया, वो हमें आता था. हमने उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में दिमाग नहीं लगाया. तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन Amazon, फ्लिपकार्ट, स्नैपडील, क्रोमा ये लोग बना रहे थे, तो हमने इनका चैनल यूज किया, हमने ब्रांड बना लिया. अब हमने we've got people, a team who knows this better than me, so we've hired them to handle the D2C part. Today we are higher traffic than any other D2C site in the country. We are the second largest sales. If you look at only D2C, we are doing this year, we might do around 200 to 300 crores only on our own website. We'll do offline more than 500 to 600 crores only offline, which is higher than a lot of D2C brands put together also in their own website. So I am saying that the brand, make it popular, make that brand popular, make that brand aspirational, whatever your, however your target audience is, and then channel, forget it. No, first target the easiest channel which you can cater to, then go deeper.
And since we are on the topic of offline and tying it back to the topic, which we are currently doing, so do you do any offline events to build your community of boat heads, and how is it different from the online, building an online community on Instagram or Facebook? Are there any tangible benefits for even offline events that you do?
ऑफलाइन मेरा कम्युनिटी करना बड़ा टफ है, तो हम लोगों ने what we are trying to do is that we try to give them, like, if they buy it offline, we don't want to be we don't want them to buy it online later. There are a lot of brands who want to first sell to offline and then start giving these consumers some benefits so that they can come to your website and start selling. I think you have to thrive in this environment. You have to keep all your stakeholders happy, right? Whether it's offline, whether it's online, whether it's the retailers, whether it's the marketplaces. If the distributors doesn't get business again and again, he will not buy you. If you try to eat his consumers,
Sorry, I think my question is, do you do any offline activities to build a community?
Offline हम लोग बहुत कुछ करते हैं. अभी हम लोगों ने जैसे क्या किया है, हम लोगों ने Sunburn, we take a part of Sunburn, we do a lot of sun, that's where the audio community or the millennials hang around. So we do offline events like Sunburns. We do, as I said, जैसे last year हमारा cricket हो रहा था, तो we did special zones for communities. But हमारी community rests online. If you want me to answer that, community rests online because it's easy to. And today, who is offline? An offline consumer is also online. They can talk to you online. So then they don't necessarily have to. So if you are an offline consumer, you don't want to talk to a brand, then you've not bought the brand for the brand promise. You bought the brand, maybe that retailer want to. And offline works differently from online. Offline where retailer has a power to influence you also a bit. Where in online you may not have that. So I don't know whether that offline consumer is a part of me already, whether his preferred channel of buying is offline. But if he's engaging with me on social media, if he's engaging with me on mails, if he's engaging with me on YouTube, then he's a part of us. Channel he may prefer offline more than online. And I'll tell you frankly, gone are those days when online used to be lower than offline. Now online and offline prices are very similar. There is there is sanity coming to online to not discount too much. There is government pushing them not to discount too much. Offline, the retailers used to ask for 50 to 70% margin. They have become a little logical to ask for logical margins. So there is sanity in the pricing also. So channel doesn't matter anymore.
Got it. So I brought another attendee on board. So Shashwat, you are there. Please keep your question relevant to the topic, which is around building communities. That's a request.
So good morning, Aman sir.
Hi Shashwat sir.
Sir, I have a question. Like from the starting days of the board, do you have your own manufacturing or not? Hello.
No, Shashwat, we don't have our own manufacturing. I don't know how to handle labor, and it's difficult to handle labor and all that for me.
Okay, sir.
So people who know how to do it, they are doing manufacturing, and I am just a design R&D. We've got a lot of people in the R&D team. We have quality. We take care of marketing and product. Manufacturing we don't want to do, but we take help from a lot of manufacturers. Like in India, we have Dixon, VVDN, who are manufacturers in India who help us make our products. Jo jiska kaam wo usi ko bhai. You've heard that. It's what we believe in.
There is another interesting question on the Q&A board. So how do you track repeat buyers in a community, and basically how do you identify true boat heads? Because so many people claim to be a part of the community to get the privilege and the special benefit. So how do you identify the true ones?
मिल जाता है, data मिल जाता है. If you look at your own website, people will tell you that where people are buying again and again, same names आ जाता है. If you look at marketplaces, they will tell you that there are 30% of people who bought boat before have already come back to buy boat, and there are 20% of people who bought boat have now gone to some other brand. and that 20% of people who are now who were buying some other brand has now come to boat. So you get that data. Data is available. You just have to, do more research. And one day you should have a session with Vinay. Vinay should be speaking on this, and he is a data miner. He knows data. He knows D2C very well, so he can guide you guys better than me on this.
Sorry, Disha, you wanted to go ahead? You can go.
I have a couple of last questions. So, international brands do some, really great work on community building side, right? Like, for example, Beats by Dre is known for their, exceptional work with the influencers, right? So how much can an Indian brand learn from these international brands? And what are the things that, the Indian brands should avoid doing what the foreign brands are doing?
So, Indian brands and international brands kind of concept was अच्छा था पहले 2 साल पहले 3 साल पहले, when we wanted to buy an international brand. I think, they are the ecosystem of how, Stellaris and Fireside, Kaval and these guys are big. They were, when they were coming in, there were not many people who were doing D2C as an industry. Earlier, I said it in one panel last year when D2C used to be DTC buses hoti thi na, DTC hota tha wo, Delhi Transport Corporation. Suddenly it is called D2C as an industry, right? It was nothing. Earlier हम लोगों को पता tag करते थे, online brand बोलते थे. फिर अब बोलने लगे कि नहीं भाई अब तुम D2C brand हो. It is normal. Things change, consumer terms change. You don't need to learn anything from international brands. You don't need to necessarily call them international brands. Today, every brand you can learn from, whether it's international or Indian. You look at Bira. I love that brand, as a beer brand. It's a good brand. And I love the fact how they've created that brand, which is sold at a higher price at bars or at, the liquor shops. But people still buy Bira White because maybe their taste is good. Maybe their branding is good. Everything depends on the brand. I love to learn from a lot of these brands. You look at how, a lot of these cosmetic brands are doing in India, the FMCG brands. If you're a part of that ecosystem, you learn from each other. International brands like Beats, they've also did an amazing job with celebrity marketing, with celebrity brand endorsements. But if you look at how they've transformed from only a headphone to a music player, it was amazing. And then Apple eventually acquired them, and now Beats Radio is one of the most popular radios in Apple Music. They've done a great job there. If you look at Harley Davidson as a community, brands में हमारे में फर्क क्या है? किसी ने, somebody wrote one day that a brand without marketing is just a commodity. A brand without a community is just a commodity. Frankly speaking, that is true. These are the basics of marketing I believe in. ग्राहक भगवान है, 4 P's. Community is very critical. आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि whether it's Indian brand or international brand, you learn from them. There are a lot of brands. I was seeing a question. Somebody said that there is a Zomato ad or something they were talking about. That what can you learn from Zomato not doing? You should learn a lot from what Zomato has done in moment marketing. They are masters of moment marketing. I keep telling my brands to learn from them, or hire somebody from Zomato to learn from them, right? If you can't learn from them, then hire their best guy. That's that. You have to learn from things around you. I am not the first guy to build a community. That we should take credit that humne banaya hai. It's just that we've done the right thing. We were not the first headphone brand, and we were not the first Indian headphone brand also, right? There were a lot of headphone brands which were already available, but we did things differently. You can do it. If I can do it, then anybody can do it, is what I feel. Harley Davidson has community for ages. Hog, or what you call that, right? And you see them all together in a bike riding in some places on Sunday morning. Apple has been a beautiful community builder. Communities has been staying for a long time. It's just that you learn from them, harness what you've done. And the second question you asked was what is not to learn from them. But the mistakes they do, don't do it. If you are simple, गलती से सीखो.
Got it. So Aman, one last question I have, right? It's more tactical. Okay? So for brand, there is always this resource constraint, right? Be it bandwidth, capital, kuch bhi, right? And there is always this tussle between using these resources for immediate goals for this quarter and making a long time investments. Okay. So community building is one such thing that, you know, we believe that will give you value on a longer term basis, right? So how do you think about this and find that balance between the two, right? So accordingly, you know, how do you allocate the resources for this? Like, for example, do you have a marketing team members for, you know, this quarter ka goal and somebody who looks at community building, like a community manager or a builder kind of a person?
Yes, absolutely. We have community managers who take care of the community. But you know, your question had a lot of parts. On finances and ROI, you know, as I said, finances and ROI, you have to be very careful. And you know, as a company, we don't believe in burning money. We like to earn money, but you know, I don't believe that the companies who burn money are also bad companies. They're good companies but they are made technologically different. Maybe their aspirations are different. Maybe that's their way of doing things. For us, it's not. So it's our decision, right? For us, we look at profit and everything we sell. You know, we are old school धंधा that you know माल बिकता है तो पैसे घर से नहीं जाने चाहिए, you know, पैसे आने चाहिए. तो हमारा थोड़ा वे ऑफ लाइफ डिफरेंट है. और जो बट फर्क क्या था कि हमने ना कभी हमने फैंसी ऑफिसेज नहीं बनाए, कभी हमने खर्चे नहीं करे, कभी हमने you know the biggest problem is it diverting from the topic, but biggest problem of the founders today is that they get funding and they start becoming the next spokesperson of the next community, right? If you look at all these, you know, congratulatory messages start coming if you started taking the funding. It's good for 1 day, 2 days, but it's not to be celebrated, man. You know, he sold a part of his company. It is to be celebrated for the fact that he was able to convince somebody else to invest in him. But you should not dilute too much to raise too much money on that sense. So I believe that spend wisely. You know, my dadaji used to say ki, you know, spend but not waste. जहाँ बचा सकते हो बचाओ. You know, there was one panel which Vinay had in this conference, and you know, somebody asked us that, boss, तुम सेलिब्रिटी को इतना पैसे, अगर पैसे नहीं है तो देते कैसे? तो हम तो जब शुरू में गए तो हम सिंपल बोलते थे कि बॉस, हमारे पास अभी पैसे नहीं है, इतने ही पैसे हैं, बट जब हम बड़े होंगे हम आपको पैसे देंगे. और वो सच हुआ. हम जब बड़े तो उन्होंने, यू नो, वो आपको वो पिक्चर याद है, एक, यू नो, देयर वाज यूज्ड टू बी अ मूवी, रणवीर सिंह की होती थी. वो कहता था कि बॉस, जब आप छोटे थे आपको भी तो किसी ने सपोर्ट किया होगा, राइट? हाँ, वो बैंड बाजा बारात, राइट? तो मैं, I still go to celebrities and you know, I used to say that we were small and you know, please support us. When we will be big, we will support you. They supported us. People are humans, right? We supported them. Now they support us. Now we give them back, you know, their market rates, or we get a discount to them because we say we supported you when you were no one. Now you should support us. So you can be wise in spending your money. You know, that's something which can't be taught. But that has to be like pocket money के time से ही सीख जाना चाहिए था parents.
Understood. And Aman, as you said, so you have two different teams, right? So there's a whole marketing team which takes care of, you know, this month-on-month and quarterly growth plans, and then there's this brand building team.
Yes.
And then
Yes.
the building team.
Yes.
Got it. And you know, one last question I have, sorry, right? With, you know, Boat, as you said, right, has a very strong online community, right?
Yes.
So many, you know, rising privacy concerns, right? Identity tracking, no cookies, or abhi iOS ka update has come and all, right? So how do you feel that, you know, how this will affect, you know, your or any brand's ability to engage deeply with the community?
यार, चैनल निकल आएंगे. पहले टिकटॉक बंद हुआ, पहले कुछ था, फेसबुक आया तो लोगों ने बोला फेसबुक के साथ, यू नो, इज डेड, फेसबुक इज डेड. फिर इंस्टाग्राम चला गया, फिर इंस्टाग्राम से स्नैपचैट चले गए, फिर इंस्टाग्राम में स्टोरीज डाल दी तो स्नैपचैट से लोग छोड़ के वापस आ गए, फिर टिकटॉक चले गए, फिर टिकटॉक से टकाटक चले गए, फिर वापस आ गए. अब टिकटॉक वापस आ जाएगा, वहां आ जाएंगे. कुछ कम्युनिटी विल टॉक, पीपल विल टॉक, यू नो, पीपल विल कम्युनिकेट, पीपल विल सोशलाइज. Man is a social animal. Without socializing, man is just an animal, right? So people will socialize. People will be here and there. People will talk. People will communicate. So people will find their means. So you will find their means. Don't worry too much on, you know, worry on the right things, not on the, you know, things which are not in your control or not in your control.
When you talked about social element, so just a small question. When building a community, is P2P interaction also important, that customers आपस में बात कर रहे हैं around the shared cause, or is it just the brand system?
Messages तो तभी जाएंगे ना, you know, people will communicate with each other and they will spread your love. You cannot reach the whole, if either you are like, funded by like that company, which is like $100 million you've raised for like, for $100 million of revenue, you've raised $100 million of sales and, money, and you have so much money, you can do bombard it with marketing and sales. It's better to have your consumers, you're better to have right investors with you who can tell you, teach you, guide you. Like we had Fireside and now we have Warburg and Qualcomm. They told us where to do, what to do. Our goalposts kept changing. पहले हमारा ये goalpost था, फिर ये हुआ, फिर ये हुआ. Better to have, that as I told Disha, that right frame of ROI driven mindset every time and everything you do. Consumers, if they talk to you, brand loyalty is there. The word of mouth is the best way of marketing. Best way.
And is there there is a question posted on the Q&A board by Arjun? Like, do you have a centralized platform for handling any community? Any centralized platform or tool that you use to manage it? Like Discord,
social media is the best way because you don't want to create separate channels because they come there every day. They come there every hour. You just create pages for them. You create groups for them. Let them talk to them because they don't want to download another app. They don't want to talk to you in a different way. Wherever they are more convenient is where they have other things to do in life, right? They have to check out the stories. They have to put their stories. So they will be there on Instagram. So be where they are, no? Why do you want to create another channel and
you don't have any other platform or tools that you use? Like, उन सब से connected, there is a tool that you use to manage.
वो groups बना लो ना उसमें. So उसमें आप groups बना सकते हो, fans of boat, and that can be a close community, or there is this there's a Telegram where you can talk to more people than just having a limited number of reach. So WhatsApp limits your reach in terms of talking. So there are a lot of channels, a lot of places where you can do all this. Sessions you can do, YouTube sessions. Abhi jaise voice ka, that I forgot the name. Vanessa, what's that? The voice chats happen, no? That when you Clubhouse. So Clubhouse mein you can do, our marketing team was coming out that let's do Clubhouse sessions with Hardik and this Guru Randhawa ka Clubhouse session karte hain. So that's a good idea. There now Clubhouse is hot, so be there.
Got it. Aditya, you want to ask a question?
Yeah, hi. Thanks, Aman. Hi, Aman and everyone else.
Hi.
Aman, I had a question for you, specifically related to the community building, right? Like, one of the challenges that we face is that, or rather, one of the observations that I had was that in low involvement products, community building becomes a bit of a challenge. So let's say that a boat is a more of a lifestyle product, and even for Disha, right? Like handbags and like it is cool, like it is more visible, it's more external. But let's say that I'm building products with home and kitchen care, getting more into personal care. We are building something around the eco-friendly space under the name of Be Eco. So the challenge with community building is that for us is that it's very difficult to engage customers online because UGC इतना बनता ही नहीं है. क्या लोग home and kitchen में कितना post करेंगे? कितना दिखाएंगे कि मेरे को table इतनी beautiful लग रही है मेरा. So we have to get like architect shots and things like that. So what is your 2 bits on low involvement products in your experience, not just with boat but other brands that you've learned from a scene? How could we crack that market for lower involvement products? Because I feel that it's a larger volume space, but still an unbranded commoditized category exists. So the opportunity to get it from unorganized to organized is quite big for us. So just wanted to get your 2 cents on that.
So it's huge, yeah. I feel that there was a brand called Essilor or something. When you used to buy glasses, right? There used to be no brand here, but then they did an ad that you just do something and you see a brand written here. You see Ray-Ban, they branded it up. So I think no brand to brand is there, and brand people buy for their satisfaction. Tupperware has done, as somebody has written on the messages, Tupperware has done something there. A lot of, you can do word of mouth there very quickly because, women also talk if they are shoppers. Men talk if they are shoppers. There are a lot of these communities which are there, and their, social commerce is becoming huge. That can help you there. I think there are, you can incentivize everybody who buys one. If you refer one, another friend, you will get another 30% and you also get something. Just put that code or something, that app download mein nahi hota, that you recommend somebody. So you can do something like that. But I think there are spaces. You'll have to brainstorm more on this. And, that's why I say that take money from Rahul or Vinay. They will help you brainstorm more as investors. They can guide you. They can guide you more on these things.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for that plug, Aman. I have one question here. I mean, what a long journey, right, for you, right, from JBL to then distributing House of Marley to now the success of Boat. But if you were to start now, how would you do things differently? Because environment has changed. So are there any learnings that you've had along the way saying, "Acha, ye main nahi karunga next time," or this I would have done differently in terms of either building the brand or building the community or any of the actions on creating that buzz in the market?
So I would say in marketing, I would there are a lot of things touch wood we've done right. In organization development, I would have done better by building an organization before hand. And if you ask me in that sense, and I rooted back to the community, we started selling more than what we could service. So we started getting a lot of complaints from a lot of consumers क्योंकि product को ना हम ठीक से service नहीं कर पा रहे, because उनके खराब हुए. तो वहां पे क्या हुआ, we sold more than what we could absorb and that is where we thought that a lot of these consumers then must not have bought us back. They must have gone to someone else, and they were disappointed by Boat, right? By the service of Boat. And that service promise should have been taken care of, that we should have built the infrastructure to service them better so that they don't complain about the returns. We grew more than what we could absorb at one point. So then we are not serving the community well, right? So learning would be that, think broader than, you may never know that you might be that big as what we are. And then you will have such problems. So we did not think, as big as we can. Now we've started thinking, if we are at X, we have started thinking 10X. That if we are 10X, what all can happen? Then organization, service, customer delight, that has started happening. But we were not, we've learned that the hard way.
Cool.
We're almost out of time. So
Great. Thanks, Aman. Thanks for joining us. Sorry, Rahul, you want to ask something?
No, please go ahead.
Thanks, Aman, for taking time out. And this was really helpful, I think, for all the founders and for all of us to understand how marketing and community building is really important. Great. Thanks a lot. Everyone, thanks for taking time out for this session. Probably next month we would come back with the session that all of you are awaiting, like how to win on marketplace, third-party marketplaces like Amazon and Flipkart. So stay tuned for that. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for calling me
you,
here.
thanks, Aman. Thanks so much for your time. Thanks, Disha, and thanks everyone for attending. Take care.
Bye.
Safe.
Bye.